Hey friends, if you encounter the error, oops, we couldn't save that one for Microsoft Photos, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to repair the Photos app, and you can also reset and reinstall it. I'll show you in one go. Search for Photos in the Windows search bar and click on App Settings in the right pane. Scroll down to the reset section, click on Repair. Click on reset and then click on reset once again. After this, you can terminate the process and then select uninstall and click on uninstall once again. And once this is done, wait for it to uninstall. Now search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Search for the word Photos here and hit enter. Go to Microsoft Photos and then click on install. When it appears here, it will need a while because it's a relatively heavy app, and then you can simply click on install here. And if all of this doesn't work, then just understand that Photos is not going to solve your problem. You will have to use Paint. Simply use Microsoft Paint and use it for the work that you need to do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.